Okay, so the next product series we're going to be taking a look at are the EHBs. We have two new EHB 5-string multi-scale basses this year, and a cool new feature on both of them is they feature Fishman Fluence pickups, Fishman Fluence bass pickups. And if you've used those, you know how flexible they are, how versatile they are. You've got 3 different voicings. So you've got a vintage, a modern, and then I believe a scooped modern, something like that. You've also got the pickups themselves, which can operate in humbucking, or if you pull the volume knob out, single coil mode. So you've got that additional layer of flexibility. And on this bass in particular, we have blue covers. It's a blue covers, blue bridge. So this is a very unique color scheme on this particular instrument. And we have, these are exclusive to Ibanez for this year, these blue pickups. So you've got a basswood body on the blue instrument. You've got an ash body on the one with the pale moon ebony top. Chrome pickup covers on this model. Again, blue on this. And they both utilize the same neck material, which is a bound Ponga fretboard on a Ponga walnut neck multi-piece.